3 ways to have a more commanding presence. A leader does not need to be a mountain of a person with a large chest and broad shoulders. He does not need to be able to command armies with a booming voice and tons of charisma. But you know what? It sure helps. In this presentation, we'll discuss how to give yourself a more commanding presence, and that way, make sure that people will sit up and take notice. 1. Dress for the occasion. As a leader, you need to set an example, and you need to make people take you seriously. While it might sound shallow, one important way to do that is to dress the part and take care in your appearance. Maybe you think that what you wear shouldn't matter, but actually, what you're doing here is demonstrating that you care about what you do, and that you have the ability to present yourself well. Those are rather comforting things to see in a leader. Another trick is to try to add a dash of red into the mix, perhaps a tie or lipstick for women. The color red is one we unconsciously associate with leadership, and it's also a color that draws attention to itself. 2. Learn to enunciate. If you're going to be a powerful leader, then you will want to avoid mumbling into your chest or speaking with all the volume of a dormouse. Again, you do get quiet leaders, but they are less common. Learn to project by speaking from your diaphragm, and be careful to pronounce your words carefully. A quick and easy tip is to slow down the pace of your talking. This makes you come across as more intelligent, and it gives you more time to consider how you're going to phrase the next sentence. If you're struggling, then consider getting lessons on how to speak properly and present yourself. Even consider studying opera. 3. Develop your charisma. Everyone wishes they were a little more charismatic, and of course it's not as easy as simply becoming charismatic. If it were, we all would be magnetic. But there are things you can do to develop this trait. One is to try gesticulating more and using more space by moving around as you speak. These are things that have been shown to make others judge us as more charismatic. More important, though, is simply to find the passion in what you're saying. This will naturally lead you to speaking up and gesticulating more, as you'll really believe in what you're doing, and that will come across with your entire body.